Adages of Imam Ali, peace be upon him, about the human nature. 1. People are enemies for what they do not know. 2. If a man has a famous character in him, then wait for its sisters. 3. If the ability was available, lust is lowered down. 4. In the turning of the situations, the cores of men are known. 5. Every type goes to a type like it. 6. Every person goes to a person like him. 7. The necessities of the situations humbles the necks of men. 8. The most eloquent speech is what is said by the tongue of the situation. 9. The most eloquent complaint is what is to be said by the apparent adversity. In some languages, we can refer the nose to what is mentioned in the first and the ninth saying here. And the mouth, definitely the taqiya in 8 would be the, regarding of the situation. That's actually what taqiya is. It's having that consciousness of the situation and, of course, acting accordingly. 3 would be as the genitals. If we're looking at the 9 gates thing, 4 would be the anus, and the eyes would be 2 and 5. No, I guess 2 and 7 would be the eyes. Anyways, the 4 that are left there, you can bounce it off the eyes and the ears. So when you hear these myths about 9 gatekeepers and the city of 9 gates and all that, that's what's being talked about. You got your eyes and your ears and your nose and your mouth and your genitals and your anus. I'm not trying to be gross by mentioning all that, but that's just a symbolic way of thinking.